Yeah, well, eat, Mom. You should have said earlier that you wanted breakfast. You could have sat down, Mom. Let me get you something to drink. We can just, I guess you could just eat it in the car. Okay, sit down, Mom. Exactly, you got time. You want some orange juice or you want some cranberry? Cran apple.
Thank you.
There you go, my sugar baby.